MashaAllah, as you can see, we are at the Windermere lake, looking at the beautiful scenery. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions the importance of looking at the scenery, looking at the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to reconnect ourselves with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In hadith, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has mentioned, as Imam Suyuti has mentioned in his kitab, that looking at water and greenery sharpens our eyesight, improves our eyesight. And alhamdulillah ta'ala, the brothers from Bolton, Manchester, Preston, we're all here for our spiritual retreat. We pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, through the blessings of Allah, give us the opportunity to drink from the water of Kawthar on Yawm al-Qiyamah, and may we be sat in the company of Rasulullah.